have a get-together coming up soon? Do not worry, I got you covered. Goat meat and chicken pepper soup is the way forward. Yes, guys, goat meat on its own has a beautiful flavor. Chicken on its own, its taste and flavor is superb. Then when you now bring the both of them together, when they decide to marry, you know what will happen. The taste will be out of this world. So guys, do not worry, just watch and see how I prepared this pepper soup. It's very easy to prepare, no stress. I've got you covered. So guys, I know you would love it. I mean love. You would love this pepper soup. So if you want to see how I make it, please keep on watching. So in goes the pepper soup spice, dried nchao. So you can add your fresh nchao. If you have fresh nchao, you can leave that to later, like when the pepper soup is almost ready. But what we can access here is dried nchao. So I'll be adding my dried nchao at this point to enhance the flavor of this nchao, because if you add it later on, I don't really like the taste it gives to the pepper soup. But if you add it now, it balances the taste of the pepper soup, because you can't compare the taste of dried leaves to fresh leaves. So I've added my seasoning cubes, roughly chopped habanero peppers and onions, and salt to taste. And I just cover this for like 10 minutes. Then I'll now give it a good stir. So you can go ahead and just mix everything at once and cover and allow it to boil out its own juice, or cook in its own juice. All right. Yep. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. Please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're very much welcome. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. All right, thank you very much. And also share this video with your friends, because it might be useful to them. So this have been cooking for like 20 minutes, and I'll just give it a good mix and add some water to the meat and continue cooking, because the chicken I'm using for this recipe is hard chicken, old layer to be precise. So this takes a very long time to cook, and I love my chicken to be very tender. Okay, and if this is for a get together, I don't want people to also struggle while eating the chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and add some water to this. So this has been cooking for a while now, and I'll go ahead and add my properly washed goat meat. Yes, so the meat is the chicken is, well, I say 80% cooked. Yes, and this goat meat is actually not hard, it's baby goats. Okay, so I'll add in some more onions. So I've already blended the onions, so I'll be adding it now, and some seasoning cubes. All right, and I'll give it a good mix and I'll allow it to cook. So we need more seasoning so that everything will balance. It will balance up the taste and flavor of this pepper soup. We don't want the pepper soup to be bland, you know what I mean. Yes. And after mixing thoroughly, I'll just cover and allow the meat to cook well. Okay, so this meat has cooked properly at this time, and I turned off the stove to go do something else. So I'm like going to add in more water to the meat, to the pepper soup, to the goats and the chicken, to this combo. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead to add in more water and bring to a boil. So guys, this pepper soup is good to go. As you can see, the goat meat and the chicken, they've done a very beautiful work by coming together. They are happily married together in holy matrimony. So I went ahead to add in more roughly chopped habanero pepper. Yes, don't be scared. This is actually not very hot. This pepper is not very hot. When I mean hot, yeah. So the first one I added wasn't hot enough, so I went in to blend this one to add it to balance the taste and the flavor and balance everything out, if you know what I mean. And I'll just allow this to boil for just 1 minute, and voila, our pepper soup is ready. Guys, this pepper soup is so tasty. Like, it's so tasty. I can't tell you how tasty this is. And I'll be scooping this off into my cooler. And guys, if you want some, just bring your plate and you have some. Now that we are still scooping it before I enter cooler, bring your plate now. So guys, we had this with white rice. You can have this with agidi or potato. So bread is just the Oyibo style, okay? Yeah, so you can have it with anything or have it on its own. You can have it on its own. So thank you very much for watching, guys. So till I see you in my next video, I love you all. Please stay safe. Mwah. Bye.